Hello everyone, this video is going to show you how to use GoFormative. It is a software that we are going to use for the rest of the semester. We'll use it for some of our homework and we're going to use it for some of our assessments. So this video is going to show you where to find those assignments and how to use the tools in GoFormative. So first, obviously, I push out my lessons through slides. So in the slide, if I tell you to complete an assignment using GoFormative, you're going to have to look for the assignment I'm asking you to complete, which is, in this case, the Unit 11 quiz on Google Classroom. So you go to Google Classroom. Remember, our assignments are under the classwork section, so I'm going to click that. And I look for the assignment that I'm being asked to complete, and in this case, it's the Unit 11 quiz. So I find the Unit 11 quiz assignment, I click it to open it, and there will be the link to the GoFormative assignment that I want you to complete. So you click it, and it'll take you to that assignment. So once I click that, it'll open up the assignment for me, and it'll look like this. One thing I want to point out is you can zoom this in, so if you need to read it, you can do that, and then you can click Show Questions to bring up where you're going to put your answers. Okay, so this one corresponds to this one over here. So this is going to be the answer for problem number 1. It asks the area of a parallelogram is, so I have to find the area of a parallelogram. It is multiple choice, so this A corresponds with 680 square units, C corresponds to 40 square root 11 square units, and so on and so forth. You are required, if you read the top, to show all of your work. This assignment is multiple choice, but our other assignments in the semester will just be you have to show your work, kind of like what we do in class. So GoFormative does have a show your work option. To show your work, you click this button here, and it'll open up the area where you can put your work. Okay, so there's a couple tools in here. First, I want to show you is you can use your stylus to show your work. So the one thing I need you guys to do to make sure I can read your work is to pick the smallest width for the stylus, and then if you click this, so this little squiggle here, that's going to allow you to write on here so you could start solving the problem. I can put hello, and I'm going to show my work. Okay, make sure it's legible so that I can go through your work and give you credit where you deserve credit. Once I have the answer, I can circle it. So I don't know, I'm making this up. This is not the answer. Let's do like 300. Okay, I can circle it, and then I can go back and figure out, okay, which one is 300 and select the letter that applies, which it doesn't because 300 is not even an option, but just to show you. Some of the other tools in Show Your Work, you have an eraser down here, so if I need to erase something, I can. This is actually kind of like your cursor, your selector, so you can, move stuff around if you need to. There is a text box, so you can type some stuff up using your cursor. So if you wanted to do something like that, you could. And then there's some shapes, but I don't think you'll really need them in a line. But you could use those when I ask you to draw a diagram, or you could use your stylus.